Alright, so I know it's been a while for a lot of you guys and getting into Fusion, so I thought I would make a video just to get you guys started again. So when you're on the iPad, um, remember you need to have a mouse. If you do not have a mouse, things are going to be extremely difficult. So you're going to want to stop what you're doing and you're going to want to get in touch with me, contact me, and we can figure out a game plan for getting you a mouse. Okay, so that's step one. You'll notice I have a little blue or a little gray dot. That means I have a mouse plugged in to my iPad. So that's good. Um, Now, those of you that are on iPads, what you're going to do is you're going to want to, in order to access the portal, you're going to want to download this app. I'm going to hover over it right now. It's called Portal 214. And you're going to want to open that. When you open that, you're going to log into your email. Now, if you haven't done that in a long time, some of you may have never done that, shame on you, it's going to probably ask you to put in your cell phone number or some other layer of security before you even get to Autodesk, so that it sends you a little text, and then you will it'll shoot you back a little code, and you put the code in, and then you'll get moving from there. Now, once you do open the portal, it's going to bring you to My Apps, just like this, and you're going to click on Autodesk. And then once Autodesk opens, and I've already done that, you're going to click on Fusion and then log into your Autodesk account. Okay, so your Autodesk account, remember you guys set up a username and a password. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that. Now, if ever there's a circumstance where you see a black screen just like mine, and you freak out, so feel free to freak out, scream, yell, don't say any bad words, or say it in your head, that's fine. But what you can do is you can click on this little tile over here, and you can always get back into Fusion by clicking on it, and it should reload, just like you see mine reloading. Now, the next thing that is going to be really, really, really important is once Fusion opens, we'll give it just a second here, making sure that in the top bar that it says Education License. If it says expired, or if it says, don't worry about my little errors here, this is because I'm doing other stuff, but if it says trial or if it says expired, any of those are bad. If it does, stop what you're doing right now. And on Schoology, I made a link, and it is called Please Help Me with My Fusion Account. I want you to click on that, and I want you to give me, if you don't mind, your Autodesk username and password. And then in class, I'm going to fix your account. That's because you did not activate your account back in fall. And then you'll be able to continue working on this project, okay? So what I'm going to recommend is, if as long as you're in education license, continue with this video and make a new folder, which I already did, and I called it Miniature Train. What did I just do? Oh, I have the wrong mouse. Let me fix that. View options, fit to window, go 150. And I'm going to temporarily pause and fix this, guys. Hold tight. All right, I'm back. So you're going to have to stare at my ugly face here at the top. I don't know how to get rid of that. Anyway, so now what we're going to do is you can, once you've opened the folder, which I'm going to do by double clicking on it, and then I can close my browser. This is like a file browser. You can close this so you have a bigger area to work, and then I'm going to immediately save it as a Miniature Train. You can, hopefully you guys have keyboards. If not, you're going to have to click on that little keyboard symbol. I'm just going to type in Mini Train, spell it right. And then there's always a lot of questions about how to share your public link. As long as you're in education license, this shouldn't be a difficult thing. Go down to where it says File, go down to Share, click Public Link. Now this little window is going to pop up. Click on this little checkbox and then give it a second. Now this web address comes up. Now the problem with the iPad is if I click copy, it's not going to actually copy to where I can paste it. I have to click copy a few times. So click it like 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and then this is an important step. You have to come up here where it says copy to local device. Now once you do that, now this window pops up. Now I can highlight with a left click drag, highlight, come on. And we can also come on. These iPads are not fun. Copy, and now what you can do is you can paste that into my shared link, which you can jump over, go to Schoology, find my class, click on the link, go right to the document, and then paste it. All right. From there, I would recommend going right to my next video and starting on the train body, which is the first component. All right, guys. Good luck. Let me know if you have any problems. Thank you.